Stuck on architecture dissertation topics? Don't worry, this video breaks it down fast. Get inspired, get focused, and get it done. In this video, we're going to cover how to pick a topic that truly interests you, smart research and writing strategies, 2025's top 10 trending architecture topics, quick tips from real students, expert help to elevate your dissertation. Now, let's go to the first step, choosing the right topic. Begin with what truly interests you. The best dissertations start with passion. Choose a topic that excites you, like AI in architecture, net zero buildings, or neuroarchitecture. Your interest will drive your commitment and creativity. With your topic locked in, it's time to build your foundation. Great research doesn't just come from books. Mix theory with real-world insights. Use expert interviews, site visits, and documentaries. Organize it all using tools like Zotero, Notion, or Mendeley. Your research should explore every angle, from people to place, history to innovation. Now that your research is taking shape, let's shift into writing. Start writing before you feel ready. Don't wait for perfection. Just start. Writing helps you think. Outline basic sections like introduction, literature review, methodology, case studies, conclusion. Let your ideas flow. This is how rough drafts evolve into real contributions. Need a topic idea? Let's take a look at what's trending this year. Top 10 trending architecture topics for 2025. AI in architecture, net zero buildings, post-pandemic urbanism, vertical farming architecture, neuroarchitecture, regenerative design, modular housing, timber towers, smart cities and digital twins, space architecture. Find the one that matches your passion and run with it. Now that you've got ideas and structure, let's learn from those who've been there. Real-world tips from architecture students. Sketch your layout early with Canva or Figma. Keep spacing and design consistent. Use short, focused work blocks. Stick to your research question. Avoid going off track. Organization beats information overload every time. Need a hand with your architecture dissertation? Ondezx offers tailored dissertation support, from brainstorming to formatting. Whether you're just starting or finalizing your draft, our experts are here to guide you.